Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystem.com, making this video as a not a weekly recap, but it's a daily recap, and especially I made this chart. Let's get started here. So this is the yen index 33-minute chart. It's like my 40-minute chart, and regular you can say like a 4-hour chart. Right, so it's an index chart, by the way, right? Not USD or any other pair. It's not a pair. So the idea was that here it is making a regular flat correction A, B, C, and if I said if it bounced from 75.31, which is this white line here, this number, all yen pairs will go up. And I was watching this all along. This is the Saturday when I made the chart last Saturday, right? Or even before that, I guess, and then I renewed it. But yeah, I was watching it, and then this is usually happen that when the index goes up, all the pair will also go up. So that's what happened today. And let's see what happened and how many trade I got. This is the USD yen today going to the upside, 145 pip. Just start counting, okay, 145. And then the second trade today, yen trade, is the USD yen from 7-minute chart entry as well, right? So that's 145, and this is 120. Then USD pound yen, right? I said all yen pair gonna go up, right? So look, this one today, beautiful entry here, 110 pip, and euro yen, right? And right here is the entry, and 75 pip, right? And CAD yen, 60 pip from here, 7-minute chart entry like that. And Aussie yen, 65. All yen pairs that I watch, and I don't watch franc yen, but all the other pairs, all yen pairs, right? So all of them gave me the entry, some 20 and 7, some only 7, and some only 20. This is the beauty about the system here and the entry system. So altogether, 575 pip without any wrong entry. All these entries went my way straight up. Right? No wrong trade at all. No losing trade at all today. All positive trades and 575 pip in one day from yen pairs based on this chart here. What happened to this chart so far? Let me show you. You see, this is small, tiny move, and look what happened to the yen pairs already, right? So imagine if it goes from here to here. So very, very big opportunity to make a lot of pippage. It's gonna go up, and then pairs will just go up and down and up and down, making waves, Elliott wave and harmonic patterns, and they will go to the upside. Now, if you watch, see this what happened, 40-minute chart, USD yen. So I had it from here to there, 54, it already crossed that. Now it's going to probably retrace and then go up, even more to the upside. Similarly, pound yen, see, my target was there, it's a 78% retracement. Now I think that it's going to retrace here and then go to the upside. Now, this is what happened. Every step of the way they make a new setup, right? So, for example, I have what happened to. Let me show you what happened to USD yen. USD, sorry, not USD yen, USD index, right? So USD index chart, 7th Feb. I made this chart that is going to drop here to this level here first, and then bounce and then go back up. If it is wave 1 or 2. If it is not, it's going to go up here and then drop here again for wave 5 to the downside, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is 4, we're going to drop here. But first, it's going to come down here, then bounce, then make wave like 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 to the downside for wave 5. Look what happened so far. It came down and then it went up all the way here. This is as of today. See that? Came straight down here and then wobbling. But so now I think that it is not wave 3. This is not wave 1 or 2, but it is 3, 4, and we're gonna drop from here to wave 5. And then obviously 7 USD pairs, they will react to this index, right? 3 will go if it's gonna drop, then USD gonna get weaker, and then 4 will go up, 3 will go down. Sorry, 3 will go up and 4 will go down, right? So let's say, what am I saying? No, I said it first, right? Four will go up and three will go down, right? So USD CAD, USD franc, and USD yen will go down. And you just saw that USD yen went up so much. It's all the way to the upside here, and it requires a little retracement, definitely. So this is it for now. If you're interested in this system, if you want to learn how to trade like this, and then you can go to my website here and sign up for one-on-one. It's a 50% off right now. I extended it, and it's like Thanksgiving and then President Day and all of that. So it's up there. Take advantage of that, and then I'll teach you, make you master of all this, yen, and not only yen index, but USD index, Aussie index, CAD index, all these pound index, euro index, where you get it from, how you read them, and how you benefit them, just like I do here. Just a little move in the index, and you have multiple choice trades of the same currency, right? So this is how it is. And you also become part of my Telegram group. And I'm going to redo these charts, and then I'm going to post on the Telegram just like I've been posting here, right? That yen chart, it was posted here earlier that, this was going to happen. And it did. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, do so because I, make these charts, videos with some really good setups, and you want to get them right on time, right? So subscribe my YouTube channel. And like I said, that if you want to trade this and you want to get a hold of this system and learn how to trade the way I just showed you, then you might want to sign up here for one-on-one coaching. And if you want to just like video courses, they are right here. Already recorded all of that. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.